Hello everyone, I'm John and this is Just the Gearhead. Today's episode we're going to get back to working on the Buick. I really haven't done much with it since the episode in which I was working on the reinforcement plates on the floor. I just haven't had time to get under there and do anything with it. So they're only partially welded in. I stopped working on it basically when I set it on fire and filled the garage with smoke. But anyways, those plates were a little too thick, I think. They're right at the limit of my little welder I have. So I'm going to take those plates out and replace it with a slightly thinner metal. But someone in the past had also asked why I was just using little plates here, a little plate there, a little plate there, instead of using one long one. The floor does have a bit of a curvature to it, or not curvature, I guess, some reliefs and stuff put in it, like dimple dies or whatever. I don't know, can't remember what you call them. Anyways, it has some of those in the floor, so I didn't want to mess around with it too much. That's why I was just going to put the plates in, but I think now we're going to try to bang some of that straighter and just put one long strip in if we can. So anyways, the first step is going to be to grind those old plates loose and clearance the brackets and stuff so that we can fit in the new stuff. Anyways, we'll get to that. Alright, so after getting those plates off, I checked with a straight edge along the floor there. I don't know if you guys noticed that. But yeah, so there's too much, I guess, wave or whatever you want to call it, in the floor to just run one piece straight across. So we're back to plan A with the piece here, piece there. But this time I think we're going to go with slightly longer pieces. And we're going to drill holes into the piece to plug weld it in place, and hopefully that'll take care of some of my issues. All right, so we'll get to cutting those and drilling them as well. So. That's each piece cut, drilled, and cleaned the edges up for welding. Now I'm going to have to climb under the car and prep the floor again. So I got to clean up a wider space for these. But alright, let's get to that, I guess. All right, so we've cleaned the bottom of the car best as I could. Now we're going to see if we can't get my welder to work and see if we get those plates welded into place. Well, that'll be it for this episode of Just the Gearhead. I'm a little bit ahead of where I left off last time, the episode where I let it on fire. I've got both sides tacked in. I just got to go through and finish welding them. I'm probably not going to show you that. That's probably going to be a little bit boring. Probably not going to show you my welds either because I'm not that good at it, and right now they're still kind of boogery. I'll wait till I get better before I start showing you my welds. So please comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you want merchandise, please check the description for my link to my Redbubble page. For those of you who have already subscribed, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Those who have bought t-shirts already, great. Thank you again. All the proceeds from t-shirts will go into the Buick and other projects. So anyways, thanks again, and we'll see you next time.